Split stitch. Bring the needle up at the starting point of your line and take the needle back down through the fabric so that you have a stitch. Bring the needle back up through the middle of the stitch you just made, splitting the threads. Take the needle back down in the same direction to finish the stitch. Continue to bring the needle up through each previous stitch to continue the split line. If you are on a curve, make sure that your stitches are nice and small so that you don't lose the shape of the curve.